Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve the next question, question number 5 of NEET Physics 2014. Students, let us start the question number 5. Question number 5 says, a force F acting on a particle of mass m, that is a particle of mass m, and a force is acting on it, is indicated by a force time graph. The graph is shown here. This y-axis stands for the force and this x-axis stands for the time. The change in momentum of the particle over the time interval 0 to 8 seconds. So 0 seconds to 8 seconds. This is 0 second and this is 8 seconds. So during the whole time interval, the graph is plotted and you have to find the change in momentum. So our aim is to find change in momentum, which is given by if basically it is final momentum minus initial momentum. But in this situation, it is not a straightforward case. It is a case where the variations are different. So in FT graph, the change in momentum, as we know that this is force is change in momentum divided by the time interval for the change in momentum. So this change in momentum can be written as force times the change in time. So this change in momentum is force times change in time, that is F delta t, and this is nothing but the area of FT curve. The area under FT curve gives you the change in momentum. So momentum is a vector quantity, is a vector. So because it is a vector, we have to take into consideration the sign. Now this is positive side, this is negative side. So this momentum will be positive, this will be negative, and this will be positive. If this is positive, this is negative, this is positive, then the area under this first triangle is positive, and this rectangle is negative, and this is also positive. So area of this curve under this curve is a triangle. So area will be half base into height. Base is 2, height is 6. So it is the sum of all the areas A1 plus A2 plus A3, where this area is A1, this area I have taken A2, and this area I have taken A3. But this second area is negative. So I write A1 minus A2 plus A3. Now area of this triangle is half of base into height is 6 minus, this is a rectangle, so 2 here, 4 here, so this side is 2 and this side is 3. This side is 3. So 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6 plus this side is 3, you can see here this side is 3 and this side is 4 to 8 side is 4. So 3, 4. This gives us 2 cancels, 6 and this also 6 cancels, and what is left is 12. So and the unit is that the force is Newton, time in seconds, so Newton in seconds. 12 Newton second is the answer to this question. So therefore, the option number 3 is correct answer to this question. Okay, thank you.